ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं दाक्ष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। स्वरादिनिपातम् अव्ययम्
स्वरादिनिपातम् अव्ययम्
तद्दितश्चास्सर्वविभक्तिः
तद्दितश्चास्सर्वविभक्तिः
कृण्मे जन्तः
कृण्मे जन्तः
त्वात्तोऽसुन् कसुनः
त्वात्तोऽसुनः
अव्ययी भावश्च
अव्ययीभावश्च
तदितश्च सर्वविभक्तिः इति सूत्रेण तदितान्त तद्दितप्रत्ययान्त शब्दाः अव्ययसंज्ञकाः भवन्ति। तस्य परिगणनम् अत्र उक्तमस्ति। तसिलादयः प्राक् पाशवः प्रत्ययास् beginning with tasil 537 up to 5347, that is tasiladayah negative sanya tad avyayam. The pratyas will not, the pratyas is asarva vibhaktihi. What is asarva vibhaktihi? The tadita pratyaya and the shabdas to which also vibhaktis do not apply. Taditanta pratipadikam will not get all the super vibhakti. That is the meaning of taditascha asarva vibhaktihi. Yasmat sarva vibhaktihi na utpadyate. Iti. Yasmat sarva vibhaktihi na utpadyate saha taditantaha. Taditantaha avyayam syat. So they are listed here. First list is 537 to 5347. Second list shas pravritibhyaha 5442 to 5467. Then mantaha, which is enumerated in 5411 and 5412. Kritvasu and other pratyayas 5417, 18 and 20. Then tas and vati 51115. then 5227, na and lunch. Now the first class, first group, 5372, 5346. And last class we saw it, 537, that is this Sutrapata 53 is missing. Anyway, we will see the website, Sutrapata 531, 537. Five 537 to 5346. 537 is Panchamya's tussle. And 5346, Edhacha. Panchamya's tussle. Iti arabhya, Edacha, Sutra Paryantam, Tasiladaya. Before that, 531, that is Prag Disho Vibhakti. We saw in the last class. Itaf Param 5326 iti yavat ye pratyaha patyante te vibhakti sanyakaha bhavanti. It's an important sanya. So I will give a small write-up here. I'll write and explain. So in this section, that is first section, first class, first group, whatever it is, 537 to 5346, sutras from 531 onwards, 531 to 5326 have pratyas, that is tadita pratyas, which also have the sanya vibhakti, and they operate on kim shabda, kim sarvanama and bahu prati adikams. Kim sarvanama bahu, one sutram we saw. Kimakaha, kim, and all the sarvanama shabda, kim sarvanama bahubhyaha. The sutra 531 itself, it is should 531. Kinahaktaha, number 2. Then sarvanama shabda, idam and all sarvanama shabda. Then bahu, one more shabda is bahu. They will see that sutra itself separately. Kim sarvanama bahu, 532. Then in fact, the next sutra is 532. Kim sarvanama bahubhyaha. Sarvanama shabda and bahu shabda, among the sarvanama shabda except the onwards. So they operate on kim sarvanama and bahu pradipadikams. Then although panchamya's tussle, the next sutra. Panchamya's tussle which is sutra number is 537. Panchamya's tassel is the first pratyaya in this section. It's the first pratyaya in this section. Therefore, we need to look at the sutras. Before we see 537, we need to look at the sutras from 531 to 536. What are they? We have to see first. Then only we can see 537. Why? Because as they define the adhikara, in which the succeeding sutras operate. That's why we discuss 531 to 531 to 536 first. So we need to discuss 531 to 536 first because they define the adhikara on which the following sutras, 537 onwards, they operate. Succeeding sutras operate and also provide what? Some adesha substitution rules, adesha niyama needed in this section. And then sutras, that adesha, where it is been followed by pratyaya, the adesha is in 572 section. The sutra in this section will also need some substitution is given in the section itself, 5.3 section. Some are there in 7th chapter, 2nd section. Some substitution rules in the section, which also just is summarized in the last class. Just short summary. It's a 7.2 section, 7.2, 1 to 7 to 102 to 7 to 105, like kimaha kaha, etc. Kim will be replaced by ka when vibhakti pratyaya follows. Similarly, idam will be replaced by similarly jajadinam aha. All these are when vibhakti pratyaya follows. So vibhakti sanya is assigned by 531. Pragdesho vibhakti. So once vibhakti sanya is assigned, then 537 onwards, there are pratyayas, sadita pratyayas. Sadita pratyayas attached to the words. Then the adeshas are also given in some sutra. For some the adeshas are mentioned in the 7.210 to 7.205. And also you can note here, here also the sutras, that is the sutras mentioned in 7.210 to 7.205. This under the sutra, under the section 7.2.102 to 7.2.105, you can see they get an anuvritti of vibhakti pratyaya, vibhaktau pare, vibhaktau. You get anuvritti of the word vibhaktau. Vibhaktau meaning vibhakti pratyaya pare, vibhakti pratyaya pare, angasya, anga could be kim, etc. They get respective adesha. So vibhakto as coming as anuvritti from 7.2.84, you can see Sutra Pata. So this gives the overall view of the first class. 531 to 5326. Tadita Pratyas, they enjoy what sanya? Number 1. First is Vibhakti Sanya. Because it is Vibhakti, therefore it can operate on Kim, Saranama and other Shabdas, Bhagu Pratipadikam. And 537 is the first Pratyaya, Panchamya's Tassel. Tassel is the first Pratyaya. So to understand Tassel, what Tassel is, Tassel enjoys Sanya Vibhakti. How do we know? Unless we don't know 5.3 under 531 where Vibhakti Sanya is assigned. So therefore, because Tastil enjoys the Vibhakti Sanya, therefore we need to look at the Sutra 531 to 536 because they define Adhikara. Rag Dishaha Vibhaktihi, up to what Vibhakti Sanya is, that is defined here. Therefore, the sutras, Adhikara sutras are important. 531. I'm not able to show the Sutra Pata, but you can see 531. Pragdisha Vibhaktihi. 531. Pragdisha Vibhaktihi. Adhikara Sutra. The Pragdisha Vibhakti coming as Adhikara for this. Then there are also Pragdisha Vibhaktihi. And Kim Sarvana Bhagubhyaha, that are coming as Anuvritti. The next Sutra. Pragdisha Vibhaktihi. Kim Sarvanama coming as Anuvritti. So, you can see. Therefore, they define the Adhikara Sutra, 531 to 536. You can see the Sutra Pata. If you have physical Sutra Pata book, you can have it. Just see. So, the Pragdisha Vibhakti is Adhikara Sutra. Kim Nama Sarvanama, that is also Adhikara Sutra. So, they define Adhikara. Adhikaras are defined in this section. Not for 3, 4, 5 and all, but these two. Some of the words goes as Anuvritti. 3, Idamaha ish, Idamaha coming as Anuvritti. The next sutra. And 531, define 531 and 532, Adhikara Sutra. And other sutras, 533, 534, 535, 536, they provide some Adesha. Like what you can see. 531 and 532 is Adhikara Sutra, Pragdisho Vibhaktihi, and Kim Sarvanama Bhagubhyaha. 533 is Idam will be replaced by Ish. This is Adesha. Idam is a Kim and Idam is a Sarvanama Shabda. So when Sarvanama Shabda is followed by Vibhakti Pratyaya, Idam will be replaced by Ish. So what this is Adesha, Ish Adesha. Next sutra also. Etaitoho Ratoho. Idam Sarvanama Shabda. Repad Vibhakti Sangike Pratyaye Pare. Etaha iti Adeshaha. Tatacha Takara Vibhakti Sangike Pratyaye Pare. It Adeshaha. So this is also another Adesha Sutram. Next also. Etadu An. Etad will be replaced by An. Vibhakti Pratyaye Pare. Tarita Pratyaye Pare. Aniti Adeshaha Bhavati. 536 also Sarvasya Saha Anitrasyam Di Tadita Pratyaya Pare Rakarado Tadita Pratyaya Pare Sarva iti Shabdasya Vikalpena Sa iti Adeshaha. So this is what I said here. You can see 531 to 536 define Adhikara Sutra and some Adesha Sutras. 531 and 532 Adhikara Sutra, 533 onwards, 53 up to 536 Adesha Sutra. Not only here Adesha Sutras, the Adesha Sutras are there in 7-2 section also, where we can see the Vibhakti coming as Anuvrittis. Last class we saw 72102 if you take 72102, where Kim is replaced by Kaha, etc. You will see 72102. Chidadinam Aha 72102 up to 72105. So where 7284 from that we get this Anuvritti Vibhaktau. So Vibhaktau coming as Anuvritti. So Tedadina Maha Vibhaktau. Tedadi will get A Adesha Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare. Kim will be replaced by Ka Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare. Similarly, Ku will be the Adesha in the place of Kim when Ti or Ho, they are enjoy Vibhakti Sanya. Similarly, Kwati. So all those things. These are the Adesha Niyama, Adesha rules. So this is the just the summary. Now, the first sutra. Let us read the first sutra. I'll just give a short explanation. Sutra first one. Pragdisho vivaktihi. This is a Sanya Sutra. Whatever we said here now, this is going to be explained elaborately now. The Sutra. We'll not see the website now. We'll see later because the website, all the examples and more details are given. All details are not required now. Later, when you read, you'll understand. Later, you can read also. Now, the vritti. Pragdisho vivaktihi. What is the meaning of Pragdishaha vivaktihi? Vivaktihi is a sanya. By assigning this sanya, na vivakto tusmaha will apply. That is the idea. Then Pragdishaha. Pragdishaha is before the word Prag. Where is the word Prag? Where is the word Disha? The Sutra 5.3.27. You can see the Sutra part. I think 5.3.27 is there in my file. I can show you. Only 5.3. One beginning around is missing the Sutra Patam. 5.3.27. Yes. 5.3.27. Dikshabdebhyaha Saptami Panchami Pratamabhyaha Dikdesha Kaleshu Astatihi. This Sutra also we'll see later. Now here the word Dikshabda is Pragdishaha means before this Sutra. That is 5.3.26. So Pragdisho Vivaktihi, the first Sutra says, starting from Itaha Agre up to 5.3.26. Prag means before, excluding 5.3.27, where the first word is Dig. So Itaha Agre means starting from here. Dikshabdebhyaha, which is Dikshabda is 5.3.27. The sutra is Dikshabdebhyaha Saptami. That sutra is iti etasmat prak vakshyamanaha. Etasmat prak vakshyamanaha pratyaha vibhakti संज्ञकाः भवन्ति. Vibhakti संज्ञकाः भवन्ति. Vibhakti संज्ञकाः भवन्ति इति वेदितव्यः. इति अधिकारः वेदितव्यः. The meaning you can understand, simple. Starting from this sutra, the pratyas enumerated until the sutra 5.3.27 gets vibhakti sanya. This is the first sutra, Pragdisha Vibhakti, defining vibhakti. So the application of this that I will write here, the application of vibhakti sanya is for, or if you can remember, it's very good. Why this we need the sanya? The application of the sanya. Application of this sanya is for the sanya, that is vibhakti sanya, is for the application of the rule na vibhakto tusmaha. What number na vibhakto tusmaha? What sutra is that? It is it sanyaka. There are many it sutram. One of them is na vibhakto tusmaha, but this negates. This negates it sanya to sakara and nakara. Na vibhakto tusmaha. So the application of this sanya is for the application of the rule na vibhakto tusmaha, and also and the rules in the section from what from 7 to 84. Please see 7 to 84. 7 to 84 is vibhakto. Just now we saw the 7 to 84. The vibhakto, the sanya is the vibhakto pratyaye pare. Therefore required 7 to 84. Vibhakto up to 7 to 113. This is the vibhakti pratyaye pare, that section. Then followed by vibhakti pratyaya. So therefore, na vibhakto tusmaha, by that itsanya should be negated. Therefore, vibhakti sanya is assigned, and also for the application of the rules from 7 to 84 to then only 7 to 84 will apply. 7 to 84 to 7 to 113. That is the reason vibhakti sanya is assigned. Then the next sutra. Next sutra is 532. 532 says, Kim Sarvanama Bahubhyaha. Kim Sarvanama, just copy paste. Kim Sarvanama Bahubhyaha Adyadibhyaha. By this sutra, what does this sutra says? The pratyaya in this vibhakti adhikara will be applied to the shabdas, Kim, Sarvanama and Bhagu. So Sarvanama Shabda, all the Sarvanama Shabda excluding Dvi, etc. Starting from Dvi. So what are Sarvanama Shabda? The list is required. The list, I think, can take on the website. It is given. Okay, I'll write in my notes. So first we need to know what are Sarvanama Shabda. I'll write 1 minute. Sarva. First we have to define what is Sarvanama Shabda. Sarvadigana. Under Sarvadigana, Sarvanama Shabdas are mentioned. These are these Shabdas. These are the words, the Sarvadikana. And Dvi, Adibhyaha. Those words are starting from Dvi. Dvi, Yushmat, Asmat, Bhavatu, and Kim. But Kim is already mentioned. So therefore Kim we can remove it. Because the first word in the sutra is Kim. So accepting these 4 Shabda, all the other Shabdas of the Sarvanama, that's what we have to take. And Bhagu which is not here. So Kim Shabda, Sarvanama Shabda, all Sarvanama Shabda, excluding Dvi Adibhya, starting from Dvi, etc. That is these 4. And Bhagu Shabda. These are what referred to by this. So what is the meaning? The vritti of the sutra would be like this. Prag dishaha. Prag dishaha iti yavat kim sarvanama bahu iti etebhyaha what are they are the pratipadikam. Pratipadikebhyaha iti etebhyaha pratipadikebhyaha Akshemanaha Pratyaha, whatever the Pratyaya. Pratyaya is Akshemanaha is going to be told. What Pratyaya will come for this Pratipadikam will be told. Akshemanaha Pratyaha Bhavanti. Pratyayas which are going to be told will come. Bhavanti. Pragdishaha iti yavat Kim Sarvanama Bahu iti etebhyaha Pratipadikebhyaha Akshemanaha Pratyaha Bhavanti. Except what? Except Dayadin Varjayitva, accepting Dvi, etc. All other will take the pratyaya, appropriate pratyaya, which are mentioned in this section. That is the meaning. That's the meaning of the sutra. That is the pratyayas in this vibhakti adhikara. Whatever the pratyayas will be applied to the following pratipadikams. That is, what are the Kim Shabda and Sarvanama Shabda and Bhagu Shabda. The scope of Sarvanama Shabda is restricted to the scope of Sarvanama Shabda is restricted by excluding the words beginning with Dvi, etc. Dvi, etc. Exclude the words beginning with Dvi. So that is the meaning. Then the sutras we saw from 533 to 536 are the replacement. So that also we will see now. Sutrani 533 up to 536. What are they? That also we will see. 533 to 536. These are the Adesha Sutras. They are the Adesha Sutrani. So Adesha Sutrani 533 to 536. This is a topic. So this also we'll see one by one. First sutra is 533. Idama ish. You can see the sutra pata. 533. So 533 idamaha ish. Idam shabda will be replaced by ish. Ish is shakara. Shakara is anekalshit sarvasya. By that sutra, the entire sthani will be replaced by e. Entire sthani will be replaced by e. So therefore, the vritti what I am giving is from the Pratama vritti. We can take Kashika vritti also. So Prag Dishiyeshu. Prag Dishiyeshu Pratyayeshu. Prag Dishiyeshu means Prag Dishi Adhikara. Prag Dishi Vivakti. In that section, Pratyayeshu Partaha, when Vivakti. Prag Dishiyeshu means it is understood that the Pratyas enjoy Sanya Vivakti Pratyaya, therefore Vivakti Sanyaka Pratyayeshu Pareshu. That is the meaning of Prag Dishiyeshu. Pragdisheshu 5.3.1 to 5.3.26 enjoy Sanya Vivakti Sanya. Therefore, Pragdisheshu means Vivakti Pratyayeshu in this section. Therefore, Pragdisheshu. Pratyayeshu Parataha Idamaha Stane Ish Adeshaha Bhavati. So, simple English translation not required. In this Vivakti Adhikara, Pratipadika Idam will be replaced by Ish. And Ish is Anekal Shitvat. You can add Anekal Shitvat Anekal Adeshaha. Shitvat Anekal Shit Sarvasya iti Sutrena Anekal Shit Sarvasya. You know the sutra? Yes? All of you.
Yes, Ji.
Right. What is the number? Alontyasya, Gitcha, Anekal Shit Sarvasya, Adeke Parasya. All these are Paribhasha Sutras. Right? We have seen. So Anekal Shit Sarvasya must be the first
1155.
1155, yes. The Sutrena Sarvasya Stane. It means the Sutrena Idamaha Stane. Idamaha will be replaced by Idamaha Stane Ish I Adesha Bhavati. I is the Adesha. The entire Idama will be replaced by I.
Shakara is its sanya. So,
Shakara is its segment. Shakara is its letter. You may ask, Shakara is the Rashakva Tadite. Rashakva Tadite is that, right? So now this is its sanya. Tell me, you know. Rashakva Tadite is right. La Shaku At Tadite. Then how Shakara is its sanya? Anyone? See the Sutra Pata. These are all basic things you must know. It's sanya, you know, right? It's sanya. In the very beginning, it's sanya only we saw. We see the it's sanya section. What is its sanya section? 133. Now here it is. Upadeshe Ajunasika Git Alantyam It Navivakto Tusmaha Adilgitu Davaha Shaka Pratyasya Chutu Lashakva Tadite Lashaku Attadite Pata Lakara Shakara then Kavarga Attadite Pratyeva Itsanya Bhavati. It's coming as anurti from second sutra. Goes up to ninth sutra. Now, if that is so, how this Shakara will enjoy Itsanya so then so that we apply Anekal Shit. How can we? It has to be Itsanya, then only Anekal Shit Sarvasya. But this sutra, 8 sutras negates that. Tell me. Didn't get. Don't know.
forgot. Ji.
Adihi coming as anurti. Where is Adi? Shakara is not at the Adi. Damaha ish only, not she. Shakara is not at the beginning of the Adesha. Is it beginning? Adi Shakara. Shakara should be at the beginning of the Tadita Pratyaya. If it is at the beginning of the Tadita Pratyaya, then it is Shakara, Lakara, Kavarga. Right?
Yeah.
Attadite, Lashaku, Adi. Adi means Ado. Ado, Stitasya, Lakarasya, Va Shakarasya, Kavargasya. Right? Stavargasya, Itsanya, Na Bhavati. Excepting Tadita. Sorry. Itsanya Bhavati, excepting Tadita. It means Tadita Pratyas, right? Having Lakara at the beginning or Shakara Kavarga, what will happen?
They are not its sanya.
Now Shakara is it by what rule then? Halantyam with simple. Halantyam with its sanya. This will apply.
Yeah.
Shakara at the beginning of Tadita, Lakara, Kavarga will not enjoy the Sanya yet. But this is not at the beginning. This is a Tadita Pratyaya. Yes. How do you know Tadita? Tadita section is Taditaha Putrasti. Taditaha 4176. Starting from there up to the end of fifth chapter. First chapter, last padal, last sutra. Yeah, Taditaha. Therefore, Ish is 533. Tadita Pratyaya. Shakara, not at the beginning of the Tadita Pratyaya. Therefore it is it. Shakara, not at the beginning of the Tadita. It is at the end. Therefore, by Alantyamit, it is its Sanyaka, its Sanyaka Bhavati. Therefore, Anekasya Sarvasya can be applied. Understand? That is why Shitvat. You follow?
Yes, Ji.
If it is at the beginning, then it is not a it. This is not at the beginning, therefore it. You understand that,
Okay.
right? Therefore, Anekashit Sarvasya will apply and Idam will be replaced by Ish.
And Tadita Bhinna Pratyaya also it should be, no? That is also condition.
That it should be a Tadita Pratyaya. But here just we apply Alantimit. Therefore, we don't have to require that condition Tadita. Alantimit, where is the condition of Tadita? Any Pratyaya, so Alantimit will apply.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, Ji.
If we have Sadita Pratyas where Kakara at the beginning, like that Pratyas are there. So then it is not it. We have the Pratyaya Samasanta Pratyaya, Kap Pratyaya. In Bahuri, we had. The Samasanta also enjoys a Tadita Sanya. If it is it letter and Ka will go away, then you will never have the Samasa, you'll have Ka Pratyaya. Problem. Kakara will not be there. Because it is it will go away. But it doesn't go. Understand?
Yes, Ji.
So these are all basic things we need to remember. Okay. First, let us define all these things. Then how we apply. Idam will be replaced by Ish. By what Pratyaya? Those things will come later. So I'm just defining the Adesha Sutrani. Later we'll take up Idam etc. replaced by the corresponding Pratyas which are mentioned where? 533 to 536 are Adesha. Then 537 onwards. Panchamyas Tasal onwards, the Pratyas are enumerated. Those Pratyas we will add to the respective Pratipadikam and apply the Adesha and then we will show the Prakriya. Okay. 531 and 532 Adhikara Sutras, 533 to 536 Adesha Sutras, and 537 onwards, the Pratyas are mentioned, like Panchamyas, Tasal, etc., where the Pratyas are added to this Pratipadikam in a particular Vibhakti Artha, that there we will show the Prakriya, what happens to the Pratipadikam, what change, etc. You understand what I'm saying? The sequence. This is how we are going to follow.
Yes, Ji.
See. 5, okay, the page is missing, it's okay, but I'll just 531 and 532 are Adhikara Sutras, okay. Then 533 onwards, 536, the 4 sutras are the Adesha Sutras. Then 537 onwards, which is not here, 537 and 538, etc. So from here onwards, you can see the Pratyas are added in a particular meaning. Saptamyas, Tral Pratyaya. So Saptami Arte. So 5, 3, 1, 0, 10 onwards up to 22, Saptamyaha, Saptami Arte, these Pratyas are added. And 537, which is there before, Panchamyaha, the word is there. So Panchamyate, Tasal Pratyaya, Tasehe, Tas Pratyaya, and all those are mentioned here. So those pratyas when we add, then what will happen to the Pratipadika, what Angakarya, then what Adesha, etc. That Prakriya we will show. Now we are just defining the Adesha Sutras. So this is the first Adesha Sutra. Of course, 7 2 Adesha Sutras that we know, Kevaka Kaha, etc. That we will just quickly go through when the context comes. Now the next Sutra is 534. 534 is 534. Ete tau ratoho. Ete tau ratoho. Ete tau ratoho. What is ete tau? You have to go to samasa. Eta. How do you get what is ete tau? What are the words hidden in that? Etaha cha,
Ita.
it cha. Ete tau. Ete tau, what vibhakti? Marut. Marutau.
Marutau. Dvitiya vibhakti.
Dvitiya vibhakti. Therefore, etaha and it cha. Ete tau. And ratoha is raha cha, taha cha. Ratau. Like Ramaha Ramau. Right? This is a samasa. Samasa of the sutra. So it means what are the words here that we should know? Ete, not ete. Etaha. Eta. Eta is a pradipadikam. When you compound, what will happen? Eta plus ita. Ita. Right? Etaha is su. Then it plus so. I'm just making a compound and showing you. The whole thing is pradipadikam. Supodhatu pradipadikayoho. Look bhavati. Therefore, a plus e will become guna. Ete. Then this also, of course. Don't etet is the pradipadikam. Etet, etetau, etetaha, etetau, iterator danda samasa. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, that is compound. Then what is anuvritti? Idamaha coming as anuvritti. If you see Sutra Pata, you'll see idamaha, the word coming as anuvritti for the next sutra also. So therefore, idamaha. Idamaha stane, Shashti Bhakti. Idamaha stane, Tatotoha what Bhakti? Saptami, right? Repadau, then Takaradau. We will see what are the pratyas. Repadau, Takaradau pratyaya, Thal pratyaya, other pratyas are there. Takaradau cha, pratyaye pare. Pratyaye pare, what will happen? Yata sankyam. We can apply Yata sankyam anodesha samanam. Remember the paribhasha?
Anukramena.
1310 Yata sankyam. Yetah stane. Yeta. We have yet. Yet is the pradipadikam. So it is a Yeta is a pradipadikam. Sorry. Yeta. 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 Not yet. If it is yet, then yetit will be there. Yeta and it. Yetaha. Yeta it. Iti. Iti. Etavatau. Etavatau. Adeshau. Bhavataha. Yata sankyam. Eta iti eta iti. Ethavatau adesho bhavataha. You will see the website 534.
Yatharvan.
Idam saranamaha shabdaha. It's Repada vibhakti. Okay, he has given separately. Good. Yata sankyam. Repada vibhakti sangyake pratyaye pare. Eta iti adeshaha. Takara ucha vibhakti pratyaye pare. It adeshaha bhavati. In the place of idam. That is the meaning. Kashika is, I think I just copied from the topic. Epatakara. Okay, this is better. This is apavada to ishaha. I'll copy this and put it there. Repatakarado. Pragdishiyeshu pratyeshu parataha. Itamagastane. Etata. Now adesho bhavataha. That is better. Like it. Repatakarado. Pragdishiye means vibhakti pratyay means vibhakti pratyeshu pareshu. Idamaha parataha idamaha stane. Eta it both are there. Eta it. Eta it. Ete tau. Ete tau means et and it. respectively, adeshau bhavatah. You follow? Then repa and takarado pragdishiyeshu pratyeshu paratah yata idamagastane etetau adeshau. You can add eta sankyam paratah etadostane eta sankyam. I'm just modifying the Kashika for understanding. Eta sankyam, right? You follow? Is it clear? The vritti? Or do you want English translation? Yata sankyam eteto adesho bhavatah. Can follow.
Respectively, they will come.
Yeah, respectively. Yata sankyam. Right? Repa and takarado pragdishiyeshu pratyaya means vibhakti pratyaya. Vibhakti pratyayas which begin with repa and takara, then idama will be replaced by respectively what? Eteto meaning etha and id respectively. Etha will come in the place of idam when followed by repa, and it will come in the place of idam when followed by takara. That is the meaning. Is it clear? I think we don't require English translation. So this sutra is apavada to the preceding sutra. Preceding sutra is there is no such condition, repa takarado, right? Therefore, ishaha apavadaha means the preceding sutra. Idamaha ishaha, idamaha ish. Sutra was there. It's an apavada. Okay, I will write in English also so that later when you see it should not be confusion. This sutram is an apavada sutra. Apavada to the preceding sutra. What is the preceding previous sutra? What is the previous sutra? So the previous sutram, idamaha ish. Number is 533. The sutram is apavada. What does this sutram say? When ya pratyaya, what pratyaya understood? It is vibhakti pratyaya, please note. It is understood, vibhakti pratyaya. Pragdeshya vibhakti. It's called pragdeshya. Better to write pragdeshya so that under pragdeshya you can enjoy the sanya vibhakti. Prag. Deshya pratyaya. Pragdeshya pratyaya means vibhakti pratyaya. And the pratyaya beginning with repa or takara follows. Then the idam will be replaced corresponding respectively by eta and it. This is what the sutram says. Apavada to idamaha ish. Right? Understand? Eteto ratoho. Then the next Adesha Sutra in the list is
Eta or Etji, that one?
There's a mistake. Eta, not Eta. If it is Yet, then Yeti will become Etit. That is not Eta. Yes. The next Sutra is 535. Etadon. The next Sutra. The Sutra doesn't have idam anuvritti. Of course, Adhikara Sutras are there. So this also with examples we will see. Just what is the substitution, that alone we will see now. What is the vritti? I'll take the vritti of Kashika. 535. You can understand here also. You can see. I'll show you Kashika vritti if you see. Etar shabdasya pragdishiye taditye pratyaya pare an iti adeshaha. Simple. Etadaha स्थाने प्राग्दिशीये व्यक्ति प्रत्यये pare, right?
Yes, ji.
What adesha? An adesha.
Annadesh.
Etadaha pragnishye ashit. What is ashit? Okay. The apavada is, you can see here, this one interesting thing is, Kashika says, etad will be replaced by,
An.
no, it says, and what does it say? Sutra says, etado, etadon, etadaha an. But what does Kashika Kara say? What does Kashika Kara say? Anyone? Read this, you understand. Etadaha is Sashti Bhakti. Pragdishiye Bhakti Pratyaye Pare. Pragdishiye Bhakti follows. What is the Adesha? Kashika Kara says Ash is the Adesha. Ash iti ayam Adeshaha bhavati. Shakaraha sarvadeshartaha shitva sarvasya sthane. No, sorry. Ashiti adeshaha, shakaraha, sarvadesha. Yeah, shakara is in the letter, therefore sarvadeshaha. He is taking the adesha to be ash,
Asha.
whereas the sutra etadon. Here also,
Annadesh.
yes, it's said, yes, he is saying an is the adesha. So Kashikakara, according to Kashikakara, the sutra is etadosh, not etadon. Understand? Let us read here. Here he has explained. Etaditi sarvanama shabdaha. By this sutra 532, kim sarvanama bahubhyaha anena sutrena asmat shabdat pragdishya vibhakti pratyaha bhavitum arhanti. Okay. Eteshu pratyeshu pareshu etat shabdasya aniti adesha. That is what the sutra says. And this is an is anekal. Therefore anekal shit sarvasya, it will entire sthani will be replaced.
Yeah.
Kashikakara say making ash, then also anekal shit sarvasya only. Aniti nakara comes. Nakara is it becomes itha letter. Nakaraha, now you see etad plus, for example, etad plus tral.
Okay.
Tral is pragdi tadita pratyaya. So when tadita pratyaya follows, etad will be replaced by an, by the sutra an. Now an plus tra, what will happen? An plus tra. Naloparvadipadigantasya, by that nakara will go away. Therefore atra, instead of taking this, Kashikakara takes ash. Ash, when we say shakara is itha letter, therefore the entire sthana will be replaced by a. So a plus tra, atra. Which one is better? Whichever is better, we can take. It's not a problem. Now, we may ask how nakara lopa will happen. See.
It should be padante.
No. This is, okay, what pratyaya is? Su adishu astranmastane padam, right?
Yeah.
What is Suvadishu? First of all, Suvadishu we need to understand. What is Suvadishu?
Vibhakti pratyayas.
No. That's okay. But what is Suvadishu? Asaranamastane. There, what is Suvadishu? Anyone? What is the meaning? Su-adishu means not only Supratyaya. Please note this. Supratyaya, not only Supratyaya, Su-adishu means that is 412 onwards up to all the pratyas which are there in the 4 and 5. That was Su-adishu. It is not restricting only to Supratyas. We never say like that. If it is only to Supratyas, then we have problem. Su, au, just where is here starting from Su. This Su referring to the 412, the Su, au, just amounts. Adi iti padena, all the sutras, 4, because pratyas are in 3rd chapter, 4th chapter, and 5th chapter. 3rd chapter is excluded. By Su Adi, Adipadat, starting from here up to 5-4 end, because these are the pratyaya section. So all the tadita pratyas, samasanta pratyas, everything is included. When suad, that's what suadishu, right?
Yeah.
Then suadishu asarvanamastane. All these are going to be asarvanamastana, except supratyaya. Except sup pratyaya in pullinga and shrilinga, su just out, sarvanamasthana pratyaya. What about other pratyayas? Here, for example, ni pratyaya. Ni pratyaya is, it is,
Saptami Vibhakti.
no. This neep, rinnebhyaha neep. This neep I'm asking.
Oh, neep, Strilinga Pratyaya.
Strilinga Pratyaya.
What pratyaya it is? Sarvanamasthana or asarvanamasthana?
Asarvanamastana.
Asarvanamasthana, simple. It is not sarvanamasthana, right? By saying su adishu asarvanamastane padam, when these pratyas follows, but neep is not a, neep is asarvanamastana, but the pratipadikam will enjoy bhasanya by the sutra yachibham, because this is ajadi pratyaya. Understand?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I think not, this sutra is not the basic sutra. Su adishu asarvanamastane padam and yachibham is not clear. Okay, let me explain. See, su adishu meaning it's not only swadishu. It doesn't restrict only to supratya. Supratya, how many pratyas are there?
21.
21, 24 if you take, okay, including the
Sambodhana.
Sambodhana. Okay. Not only this, after that, this is the list begins with Adi means what? What is a Bhagavati Samasa? Su Adihi, for example, Su Adihi is a Bhagavati Samasa. Means what? The
Supratyayas beginning from
Su Adihi Yesham or Yasya Saha. Yasya Saha is Swadihi. That is the first pratyaya is Su. It means Su Auja Sammochitabhyam is all the 24 pratyayas. Then what is the next pratyaya? In the one by one we have to take Sri pratyaya, Neep is there. Then down below, if you see Ta pratyaya is there. A lot of pratyayas. You cannot just Yang pratyaya, all the Tadita pratyayas, then Samasanta pratyayas. Tadita pratyayas, how many are there? So many are there, right? Tadita, all the entire 4-3-76 Anva Tadita and 5-3 there Samasanta. All the pratyas are included in Swadihi. Therefore, when we say Swadishu, Suadishu, right? When we say Swadishu, Suadishu, Asarvanamastane. Asarvanamastane. First let us understand. Asarvanamastana. Sarvanamastana is a sanya given to the pratyas only for the sup. Right? Here only, and that too not all. For Pullinga, it is su just out. What about the rest? Asarvanamastana. And for Napumsakalinga, just and shas alone. The rest are Asarvanamastana. Not only those are Asarvanamastana, all the other pratyas also
Asarvanamastana.
Asarvanamastana only. And these pratyas, all the asarvanamastana pratyas, for Pullinga, su just out, excluding that, all the other pratyas are asarvanamastana, and for Napumsakalinga, excluding just and shas, all the pratyas are
Asarvanamastana.
the pratyas of the supratya as well as ni, top, etc. All the pratyas are asarvanamastana. Therefore, suadishu asarvanamastane pratyaye pare padam. This is the first sutram. The next sutra says yachibam. Yachibam means yakara and ach. When yakaradi pratyaya follows, here yakaradi pratyaya, for example, this is one pratyaya. So the pratipadikam will enjoy bhasanya. Similarly, all these pratyas are ajadi pratyaya. When ajadi pratyaya follows, pratipadikam enjoys bhasanya. Already this bhasanya we have applied in many places. Neep and top and all. Understand?
Yes.
Enjoys bhasanya, yachibam. This is yachibam is apavada to this. Now, here, etad, what we did, etad is plus tral for the example. Tral what pratyaya?
Taddita
Is it
pratyaya.
sarvanamastana or asarvanamastana?
Asarvanamastana only.
Asarvanama, is it yakaradi or ajadi? Neither. Right? Therefore, Pradipadiyam cannot enjoy Basanya. Therefore, Suvadishu Asarvanamastane, this must enjoy what Sanya? Padasanya. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Then what is the Adesha in the place of Etad An? So Padam is replaced by An. This also will enjoy Padasanya. The
Padasanya.
Nakara is there. So this is enjoy both Sanya, Pratipadikam as well as Padam. Therefore, Nalopar Pratipadikantasya can be applied. Therefore, Nakara goes away. Therefore, Lakara also get. Lakara is Antyam, Alantyam with. Therefore,
Alantyam.
Atra you get. This is how you get the word Atra.
Mhm.
You understand?
Yes.
Yes.
This is what the Sutram he has given. In the yes explained. Suvadishu Asranastana iti Angasya Padasanya Bhavati. Stanivat Angasya Pratipadika Sanya api asti. Therefore, Nalopa Pratipadikantasya will apply and then will Nakara. Nakara goes away. Therefore, you get Atra. Now you see Atra. Tral Pratyaya. Adding Tral Pratyaya, Saptami. Atra Saptami means what? Asmin. Understand? Asmin.
Oh,
Asyam. Asailinge. Tral
yeah.
Pratyaya Bhavati. Etad is Sarvanamas Shabda. So therefore we get Atra. Atra it's an Avyayam. We'll discuss the Atra, the derivation later. Just to exact, we're just seeing the Adesha Sutra alone.
Yes.
So therefore here we will have two versions. Etad can be replaced by An or Etad can be replaced by
Ash.
Ash. According first, I'll write the vritti, Pratama vritti as it is. Pratama vritti is not Pratama vritti. I will write my vritti. Siddhanta Kaumudi. Yes. Okay, I'll first let me write Kashika in the same format I'll copy. Kashika Vritti says, Etadaha Pragdishiye Parataha I'll split and write so that we understand. Etadaha Pragdishiye Parataha Ash Iti Ayam Adeshaha Bhavati. Okay, this is Kashika Vritti. But because it is Shit, Shitvat, that also is Shitvat, Anekachit Sarvasya iti Sutrena Sarvasya Adeshaha. I'll copy. Shitvat, that is not Kashika Vritti, that Shitvat, Anekachit Sarvasya Stane iti Sutrena Sarva Adeshaha. Okay, I'll make it like that. The Sutra, Sarva Adeshaha. Sarva means the place of all. Now here, this is the Vritti as per the Sutram. Etadaha Pragdishi Vartaha An iti Ayam Adesha Bhavati. Here also it is Shitvata. It is not Shit. Anekal. It is Anekal. Therefore, Anekal Tvat. Anekal Tvat. Anekal Sarvasya iti Sutrena Sarvadesha Bhavati. Right? Both ways we can take. It's not a problem. You follow. One is and other one is Ash. Kashika Kara take that to be Ash. The next sutra, 5.3.6. What is 5.3.6? Sarvasya Saha Anyatarasyan. Sarvasya, sarva is Stranama Shabda. So Pragdeshya coming as Anuvritti. So Pragdeshya, D means Saptami. Dakarado, Pragdeshya, Vivakti Pratyeshu, Pareshu, Sarva iti Shabdasya, Anittarasya, Vikalpena, Sa Adesha Bhavati. So we will see the things later. Now I just copy this. What is Sarvada? Example Sarvada himself has given. The adult pratyaya comes. So Dakara Vivakti Pratyaya Pareshu, Sarva will be replaced by Sa. Therefore, Sarvada Sada, Sarva will become Sada. That's why you get the word Sada. Sada is same meaning as Sarvada. Kashika says, Sarvasya Sa iti Adesha Bhavati Pragdeshya Dakarada Vibhaktiye Parataha optionally. That is why we have two forms. Sarvada also is there in the language. Sada also is there. Right? Sutra is.
But Dakaradi Pratyaya only should be there.
Yeah, this is also Dakaradi Pratyaya. Sarva. Only for the word Sarva. Okay. Sarva is optionally. This is option. Okay, up to this we have done. So we have covered the what sutras? Adesha Sutrani, right? All the Adesha Sutras we have covered. First we saw the Adhikara Sutra 531 and 532. Then these are the Adesha Sutras, right? These Adesha Sutras we have not seen before, that is why we are discussing. Whereas Adesha Sutras in 7.2 section already we know. That's why we will not discuss that. When our application comes, we will take it and do it. Is it okay? Right?
Okay.
Kimaha kaha yadadi namaha and all we know. We have to recall only. Any doubts up to this? Anyone?
No.
Okay, then the next. Now we will see the derivations. Let us start from the Sutra 537. 537 Sutra is Panchamyas Tasil. Panchamyaha Tasil 537. We'll see the website later. I will explain the Sutra and then give the derivations, and then if you see website also, you will understand.
Okay.
Panchamyaha Tasil. What is the Sandhi? Vicheda. Two words are there. Yes. Panchamyaha is
Panchami.
what vibhakti? Panchami because Panchamyaha.
Shashti.
Panchamyaha is Panchami Antebhyaha we have to take. Panchamyaha is vibhakti, right? Panchami vibhakti, Saptami vibhakti, Pratama vibhakti. That's what we take, right? So Panchamyaha means Panchami
Word Panchami.
vibhakti pratyayat. Bahuvachanam Panchami vibhakti. Panchami is vibhakti. So Panchami vibhakti pratyayebhyaha. So Panchamyaha is, even though the Panchamyaha, the word is, you can take Panchami vibhakti itself. Panchamyaha to be Panchami vibhakti. Don't see the website is given wrongly. Yes, given Panchami is Ekavachanam. It's not Panchami. Panchami Ekavachanam is fine. Yes, that's what I said. Sorry.
Nadi, Nadyaha.
Yeah, it's correct only. Website is good. I thought Panchami vibhakti. Panchamyaha is Panchami vibhakti. Panchami vibhakti or Panchami Shabda. Nadi Shabda, Nadyaha, Panchami Shabda, Panchamyaha. The Panchamyaha is equal to Panchami Antebhyaha we have to take. Pratyagrahane, remember the paribhasha. Pratyagrahane Tadanta Grahanam. See, when we say a pratyaya is added to so and so vibhakti means pratama vibhakti means we don't add to the vibhakti. Vibhakti antebhyaha shabdebhyaha pratyaya bhavati. Right? Let me make that also clear. Panchamyaha. So wherever the vibhakti is mentioned, then we have to understand when pratyas are added or something is done, then we have to take that antebhyaha, that is pratyagrahana. We have seen this paribhasha in some context. Pratyagrahane, this is a paribhasha. Tadantagrahanam. What is tadantagrahanam? Tat pratyantagrahanam. Therefore here panchamyaha it is mentioned. So panchamyaha iti yukte kim? Ityukte panchami इत्युक्ते पंचमी अंतेभ्यः इत्यर्थः पंचमी विभक्ति अंतेभ्यः फॉलो पंचमी विभक्ति अंतेभ्यः to take is it clear this is important pratyagare tadantagrahanam iti paribhasha this is paribhasha it's outside the sutra we know this iti paribhashaya we have seen in this in some context iti paribhashaya panchamyaha iti yukte Panchami vivakti antebhyaha ityartaha. So this sutra, if you split, so you have Panchamyaha iti, Panchami ekavachanam of Panchami shabda, and tasil what vibhakti? That is a pratyaya. Pratyaya is ordained. Pratyaha parascha. Pratyaya always will be in Pratama vibhakti. By the sutra, Pratyaha, Tritiya, third chapter, first sutra. Understand?
Yes, Ji.
So now, what is the meaning now? Vritti you see. Website you will see later. Now, it has anuvritti of course, Tasil Pratyaya is Pragdishya Bhakti, therefore it is enjoys Sanya Vibhakti. That is what, in fact, the first point is Tasiladeha Prag Pashapaha, starting from here. So Tasil Pratyaya enjoys Vibhakti Sanya. If you analyze Tasil first, Lakara is Ithalatar and E also Ithalatar. Content is Tas, number one. And number two, Tasil is a Bhakti Pratyaya. So Anuvritti is Kim Sarvanama Bhagu, those coming as Anuvritti, Adhikara Sutra. So this pratyaya, pancham yarte, can be added to kim shabda, sarvanama shabda, among sarvanama shabda, excluding the ishmat, asmat, bhavatu, and bhagu shabda, we can do that. Also, this pancham yarte, tasil pratyaya can be added. Adding what forms will come? Adding, you get some particular form. What is that? That is abhiya. By what sutra? Taditascha sarva bhakti. You understand?
Okay.
Is it difficult to follow? Little
The
difficult.
last and the second part, Tadidascha Sarvabhakti.
Taditascha asarvabhakti, under that only all these things are discussed. Taditascha asarvabhakti, he says that taditanta pratyaya cannot be taditanta pratyaya, taditanta shabda, to which all bhakti pratyas cannot be added. That is called abhyayam, right?
Okay.
So, okay, we'll see. We'll discuss one by one. The prakriya I told, what is the steps? Now you'll see how it is. We are going to take one shabda and do the step by step. Now, what is the meaning of this? First, let us write. Kim Sarvanama then Bahu Ityetebhyaha. Ityetebhyaha Panchami. Panchami Antebhyaha. Panchami Antebhyaha, we have to take Panchami means Panchami Antebhyaha. What? Pratipadikebhyaha. Panchami Antebhyaha Pratipadikebhyaha. What pratyaya will come? Tasil. Tasil pratyaha bhavati. Understand, this is the meaning of the sutra. Tasil pratyaya will come after the pratipadikam, kim, sarvanama, and bhagu. When? When they are in the fifth case. It means tasil pratyaya will be an alternative expression for the fifth case. Understand? Of those shabdas. Right?
Okay.
Example. Now here I will show you the prakriya. First, let us take Kim Shabda. Kim Shabda and Saranama Shabda, all we can take one by one. What is the Panchami Vibhakti Pratyaya? Because Panchami Antebhyaha only Tasal, right? We cannot add just Tasal right to Kim. Panchami Antebhyaha Tasal. What is Panchami Pratyaya? Supratyaya.
Nasi.
So Panchami Antebhyaha Pratipadikebhyaha, right? Panchami Antebhyaha, and this is going to be the Pratipadikam for Tasal, right? Panchami Antebhyaha Pratipadikebhyaha. The entire thing also is going to be Pratipadikam. Panchami Antebhyaha Tasal Pratyaya is added. Understand the step? First step, number 1. And the whole thing will become Pratipadikam. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why we say Pratipadikam? Because the whole thing is this Nasi Pratyaya will go away. When it goes, it becomes Pratipadikam. It will be both Sanya, Pratipadikam as well as Padam. That's why we say Pratipadikam.
Okay.
So, Panchami, or simply if Pratipadika is confusing, drop it. Panchami Antebhyaha Tasal Pratyaya Bhavati. Now the whole thing will become
Pratipadika.
So, Vaikatadita Samasa Ascha Pratipadikam Bhavati. And Tasal Pratyaya is Vibhakti Pratyaya. What Pratyaya? Vibhakti Pratyaya. How do we already we define Pragdishiyaha Pragdishaha Vibhaktihi. By that Adhikara Sutra, it is Vibhakti Sanya. So Tasal is Vibhakti Sanyaka Pratyaya, and Kim Shabda, which is Kim Sarvanama Bakubhyaha, that is in second Sutra 532, Adhikara Sutra, that goes as Anuvritti. Therefore, we are taking that as an example. And Panchamyantebhyaha Shabdebhyaha, right? Then we are adding Tasal Pratyaya. The resultant would be a Pratipadikam. Vaikatadita Samasascha. Understand?
Okay.
So therefore, this will be, entire thing will be Pratipadikam. Supodhatu Pratipadikyo. Look, by that, this will go away. Therefore, this will enjoy both Sanya, Pratipadikam as well as Padam. Now, this Panchamyante Biha Pratipadike Tasal Pratyaya. That's what we are going to say. Therefore, Kim plus finally Tasal only. But Tasal we cannot add directly in the beginning. Now, what is Kim? Panchamyante Biha Pratipadike Biha Tasal. Understand? This will enjoy Padasanya also. By what sutra?
No, this one, sorry.
Pratyalope Pratyalakshana. Pratyaya only lopa. That Pratyalakshana means no karya is happening. But Sanya will be, it will enjoy Padasanya. That by that Padasanya also it will enjoy. Okay. Why I am saying? Because if any Padanta related karya, Sandhi karya, etc., if it can happen, that should happen. Right?
Yes.
Now the whole thing is Kirtatita Samasascha Pratipadikam. Understand? So Kim plus Tasal. This is the first step. Now, after that, what will happen? After that, when Vibhakti Pratyaya follows, changes happening to Kim, where you will see, which is section 7.2. That is why 7. Yes. 7.2, just see the section. 7.2 section. And there what? 7.2.10. Pratyaya beginning with
103.
104. Kimaha kaha is Vibhakti Pratyaya pare. But Kimaha when followed by Ti or Ho. Ti is what? Takaradi. You see the sutra 72104. The website or in our, I think we have not done in our sutra, or maybe I don't know, you have done. Kuti ho ho means what? Takarado or Hakarado Vibhakti Pratyaya pare, right? Understand?
Yes.
Therefore, Takara, this is Tasal is takarado pratyaya pare. Therefore, kim will be replaced by ku. Content of tasil is tas. Shall I remove the ith letter? Lakara alantimit. E is. What is E? Upadeshe ajarana sikit. By that is also ith letter. The content is tas. Now, ku plus tas. What you get?
Kutaha.
Kutas. You get kutas. Now, what is kutas? Kutas is a kirtatita samasascha
By Pratipadika.
pratipadikam. Kutas. Now, we add sup. Sup is a outsargika sup. Okay. Sup is only, su is only a outsargika su. By default, we add always outsargika sup pratyaya su. Don't think it is pratama because pancham yarte we add. So, it doesn't have the sup. I mean, not that we should pancham yarte means you should add yes, not like that. Any pratyaya you can add. By utsarga, we always add su. Why we add this pratyaya? This is only a utsargika. Any pratyaya, in fact, we can add, but resultant will be this will go away. Why? Avyat apsupaha look bhavati eva. We need to add some supratyaya, right? So that it becomes it's converted into a padam because this is a pratipadika. How do you convert a pratipadikam into a padam? By adding supratyaya. Therefore, outsargika supratyaya we add generally. Then what do you get now? This is a, what is this? This is a padam. What padam? Avyayam padam. By avyat apsupaha look. What is the sutra? Sorry, what sutra number? Avyat apsupaha, I myself told. 2482. Avyat, this enjoy the sanya. Avyaya. By what sanya? This must enjoy the sanya avyaya, then only avyat apsupaha look will happen. Then you get avyayam padam. This is a padam. Then padam is padanta sakara becomes ru becomes nisarga, therefore kutaha you get. Right? Finally. But this must enjoy avyaya sanya. How does it enjoy avyaya sanya? Because of the sutram taditascha asarva vibhaktihi. This tadita pratyaya, tas pratyaya is added to the kim shabda in pancham yarte. So, therefore, in pancham yarte eva, this is added. Therefore, kutas is an avyayam. Avyat apsupaha by the sutra, then supratyaya goes away. You follow?
Yes, Ji. How it becomes.
What is kutas? Kutas is tadita pratyanta shabda. Okay. Now you see taditascha sarva vibhaktihi. 138. Taditascha sarva vibhaktihi. Yasma taditanta shabdat. Sarve vibhakti pratyayaha na vidiyante tasya avyayiti sanya bhavati. Asarva vibhaktihi tadita adhikari nirdishta kechana tadita pratyayaha. For example, tasil. You remember tasil as an example.
Okay.
Yada pratipadikebhyah vidiyante. What pratipadika? Kim. Kim plus tasil. Targi tatra nirmitebhyah nutana pratipadikebhyah sankhyatvasya abhavat dvivachana bhagavachana vivakti pratyayaha na bhavanti. Etebhyah outsargika rupena kevalam ekavachanasya eva vivakti pratyaya. That's what I said. Outsargika supratyaya. So I added.
Okay.
Did I add in the pratyaya outsargika rupa in a ekavachana vivakti pratyaya eva bhavati. Atah eva nirdeshaha asarva vivaktihi. Asarva vibhaktihi. We cannot add any pratyaya. Therefore, sarve shabdaha. Therefore, yebhyaha dvivachana bhagavachana pratyaya vidiyante te prakrita sutrena avyaya sanyam svikarvanti. Therefore, tadita pratyayanta shabda to which all vibhakti pratyaya cannot be added. We cannot add su, aujas, samochas and all. औत्सर्गिकरूपेण केवलम् एकवचनस्य प्रत्ययः विधीयते. Therefore, by this sutra, taditascha asarvabhaktihi. By this sutra, the kutas
Avyaya.
will enjoy the sanya. Why we add su? You cannot, because su has the meaning of prathama vibhakti ekavachana. Au has the meaning of prathama vibhakti dvivachana. Meant that two things. What is 2, 3, 4 and what is 2, 3 and dvivachanam 1, 2, 3 and all have no meaning at all. Therefore, those pratyas will not come. Right? Asarva vibhakti, sarva vibhakti na bhavati. Though I said ngasi just, I said ngasi just, even if it comes, it will go away. That's why I said ngasi. But ngasi also should not be added. Only outsargika rupena supratyaya bhavati. Not to sarva vibhakti bhavati. Right? So tadita pratyaya and the shabda, to which all supratyas do not apply. Because there's no meaning. There's no meaning. Just to convert this into a padam, we add a supratyaya. Only one ekavachana pratyaya, just we add. Because otherwise it will become a pratipadikam. We have to convert into a padam. Suptingantam padam, right? Pratipadikam, apadam na prayunjita. We cannot use apadam in the language. We have to make it convert into a padam. Therefore, for the conversion of padam, we add the pratyaya, outsargika rupena, supratyaya, ekavachana pratyaya. That is, therefore, this taditanda shabda, therefore enjoys what sanya? Abhyaya sanya, by the sutra 1138. Understand?
Yes.
We follow, all of you.
Yes.
Ganesh, we follow?
Yes, Shanji.
So, therefore, tadita pratyanta shabda, kutaha, kutas is tadita pratyanta shabda, which will not take all vibhakti pratyas. So, ajasa mochatabhyam is, it will not take. Therefore, outsargika rupena, ekavachana pratyaya, supratyaya. Otherwise, how will you convert that into a padam? Right? So, we have to use padam only in the language. That's the reason for the conversion of a pratipadikam into a padam, supratyaya, outsargika rupena, bhavati, taditanta shabdebhyaha. Therefore, now this is since this enjoys avyaya sanya, therefore, avyat apsupaha, look by that sutra, su, added su goes away. Therefore, you get kutas. Now, kutas is a padam. Padanta sakara, rutvam and visarga. That's why you get kutaha. Right? Kutaha is derived from kim shabda.
Ji, this
Yes.
Shamantanji. Tasil is Tadita
Panchamya.
Pratyaya.
Tadita pratyaya, enjoy tadita, also vivakti sanya also is there. Yes.
So we are adding here, for what purpose do we add here?
In the sense of panchami. What is the sense of panchami?
Panchami Vibhakti. Vibhakti are.
Panchami kasmat is equal to kutaha. Panchamyantebhyaha kim shabda, panchami vibhakti is kasmat. Right? Panchami, meaning of panchami, kim is kasmat. In the place of kasmat, we can use kutaha also. So, kasmat, kim plus ngasi is equal to what? Kasmat only.
Kasmat, yeah.
Kasmat only, I am splitting that and writing. Panchami artha is that to show that panchami vibhakti is added. Therefore, okay, I can add one more step here also. Kasmat plus. But kasmat is panchami antebhyaha. Tasil. One more step. Kasmat, when you split, it becomes kim plus ngasi. Then ngasi is, this is the whole thing is going to be a pratipadikam. Therefore, supadhatu pratipadikayaho look. Ngasi become, the pratyaya will become look. Now kim will be there. Kim will be a pratipadikam as well as enjoy the padasanya. Now, the whole thing is also a pratipadikam. Okay. Then this is enjoys vibhakti sanya. Vibhakti sanya ke pratyaye pare kim shabdasya kuhu, ku adesha bhavati. Now we get kutas. Now kutas is a pratipadikam. Pratipadikam, it's a apadam na prayunjita, therefore should be converted into a padam. Therefore, this because this is a taditanta shabda, all vibhakti pratyas will not come by the sutra. Taditasya sarva vibhaktihi. right? Therefore, supratyaya you add, and that also becomes luk, avyatap supaha luk, then kutas is a padam, then you get kutaha.
Okay.
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 Understand?
Yes.
So kutaha. Now you see the website. What he has said about. Yes, this number is 537. Panchamyas tasal. Kim Shabda is one example. We can take other Shabda. Sarvadigane Vidyamanebhyaha. Sarva. Sarva, if you add other sutras, we have to see. Sarva will get Sarvataha. Not Sarvataha. Sarva Shabda will be, I think, Sarvataha. Sarvasma Sarvataha. Idam will be Itaha, etc. We'll see one. We'll do more examples. Read the sutra first. Sarvadigane Vidyamanebhya Sarvaha iti etasmat arabhya eka iti yav shabdebhyaha Bagu Shabdat Kim Shabda cha. Yes, excluded the Dvi, Asmad Ishmad and Bhavatu. Tasil Pancham Yanta Tasal Prateha Bhavati. Tasil iti, important to remember, Vibhakti Sanyakaha Prateha. Number one. Just Chakara is, Chakarottara Ikara is Uchcharanartham. Therefore, it is a letter Anunasika. Ach, and Lakara also it letter, therefore Lopaha Bhavati. Thus is the content. Then Kim Sarvanama Bhagubhyaha the Sutra Ityanena Binnebhyaha Shabdebhyaha Vibhakti Sanyaka Prateha Uchyante. So I have taken only Kim Shabda. You can take the words of Sarvanama Shabdana, excepting V, etc. V, Ishmad, Asmad, Bhavatu, and Bhagu also we can take. Right? We can take, add Bhagu, Pratyaya to Bhagu also. Vartamana Sutra and Uktaha Tasal Prateha bhi Vibhakti Sanyaka eva asti. Therefore, Etebhyaha Shabdebhyaha Vidiyate. Fine. Kasmat plus iti eva. Kasmat will become Kim. Kasmat is Pancham Yanta. Pancham Yanta, therefore Kim plus Nasi. Yes, not given the Alaukika Vigraha, it's okay. Tasal Pratyaya is added. Now, Kirtatita Samasa Chaiti, Pratipadika Sanya. The whole thing is a Pratipadikam. Supodhatu Pratipadikyoho look iti Panchami Pratyasya look Bhavati. Therefore, Panchami Kim plus Nasi. Yes, not shown Alaukika Vigraha, but yes, said here. Nasi will become look. Now, Thus is a Vibhakti Sangika Pratyaya. Therefore, Kimaha Kaha iti ane Vibhakti Sangike Pratyaya pare Ka iti Adeshe Prapte Tam Baditva Kutikoho by the Sutrena Ku Adesha Bhavati. Fine, but we know that Ku Adesha comes. So Kutas, okay, directly is doing, is not explaining that other things, but we have seen why Kutas is a, how Kutas is a Avyayam. Then outside group and Supratyaya Bhavati, that also will become look, Avyatap Supaha look, then Kutaha it will come. Yes, not given that steps. It is good to include that steps. You have to show Kutaha, Kutas is Avyayam. Yes, not shown that it's an Avyayam. It should better to add, tell, okay.
சரிங்க பரசூத்ரா அதனால கூத்தி ஹோஹோ இஸ் அப்ளைட்.
Yes, Kimaha Kaha, and this is very specifically Kuti. Takaradi Akaradi Pratyaya, Apavada Sutra, not Parasutra.
Oh, okay.
Apavada. It's good to add the steps, one more step here on the website. Yes, not added. And I have not mentioned this sutra. I think you can follow. I can add also. Kasmat plus Tasal. Kasmat is Panchamyante Vyaha. Tasal by the sutra. This is a sutra. What is sutra? Sutra is 537. Right? By 537, I'm adding Tasal Pratyaya. Now, what happened to Ngasi? You tell me the sutra. You know the sutra. Ngasi. Supodhatu Pratipadikayoho.
Look Bhavati.
Look Bhavati. What is the number? 24. Supodhatu Pratipadik. Supod is a 2471. Right? You use this so many times. 2471. Then after that. Ku and thus. Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare thus Kutigoho. Number is
2104.
104. Then what is the result will be? One more step, I will write. It's equal to kutas. Now, what is this kutas?
This is a pratipadikam to make it a sapadam.
Kutas is a pratipadikam. What pratipadikam? Taditanta pratipadikam. And this will not take all pratyas. Therefore, by taditascha asara bhaktihi, this will enjoy sanya 138. It will enjoy what sanya? Avyayam. Avyayam. Therefore, we can add therefore avyayam. Avyaya pratipadikam. This is avyayam as well as pratipadikam. We can say 1 to 46 pratipadika sanya. Right? Then after that supratyaya is outsarika supratyaya is added. Avyayat apsupaha look to 482. By that, okay, that is here, I'll write. Copy. Avyayat apsupaha look. So will go away. Therefore, kutas. Then here we know sa sajishoruhu and karavasana yoga vasajaniyaha 82, 66 and 83, 15. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, all the steps we need not do for each word. Okay. Now you can tell. I just write the one or two steps. Idam shabdasya saptami vibhakti ngasi plus tasal. What is saptami vibhakti of idam? That you should know. In whatever linga. Pullinga, Srilinga, whatever. It doesn't matter here. Linga. Avyayam is going to come. What linga is Avyayam? That's why Avyayam is already defined. No linga. Idam plus ngasi plus tasal. Idam plus ngasi is equal to, you can take asmat for example. Okay, asmat plus tasal. Right? Asmat plus tasal is equal to idam plus ngasi. Now tell me, asmat plus asal, panchamyartha. What is the next step? What will happen? What is the final form? Next step also you can tell. Ngasi goes away. Right?
Supodhatu pratipadika.
Then idam plus tas. I make it this as a tas itself. Now idam plus tas. Then what will happen? Idam plus tas. Idamaha ish. Sutra we just now we saw. Adesha Sutra. Remember?
Yes.
533. Idam when followed by vibhakti pratyaya. Idam will be replaced by ish. Ish is shitvas. Sarvadesha. Therefore, entire idam will be replaced by e. E plus itas. What is itas now? Itas is the Taditanta Shabda, which will not take all the pratyaya, therefore Avyayam outsarga rupena supratyaya, so we also will become Avyayat apsupaha look, therefore you will have itas. Itas is equal to itaha. Therefore itaha, we use the word itaha, gray and all the vritti, right? Itaha is equal to what? Asmat. Asmat arabhya itaha. That's why you get itaha. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, so itaha is avyayam. Suppose if you use etat shabda say panchami bhakti is etasmat, right? Etasmat, yes or no? Etasmat.
Yes.
So etat shabda. So etad plus ngasi plus tal, ngasi plus tasal. Then etad plus tas. Then what is the adesha? This also we just now we saw. Etad when followed by tas will be replaced by an or ash, whatever it is. You can take ash, anekala. I'm just going by kashika. Anything you can take, it's not a problem, right? So either you take an or you take ash. So what will come? Anekala desha. Shitvat sarva desha. Now A will be the adesha. But you get atas. Atas is taditanta, which will not take all supratya, therefore it is tadita shastra bhakti avyayam outsarga rupena supratyaya, therefore you get Atas is the padam, and finally get ataha. Etasmat is equal to ataha. Understand?
Yes.
Now your homework, you try. What will be the form for sarva? You try. Similarly, Vishwa. Simple. Similarly, Ubaya. Itara. All these are there in the Saranama Shabda. I'm just giving that. Anya. Purva. If Adesha is there, you do Adesha. If Adesha is not there, what Adesha you can do? Nothing. You just take it as it is. Dakshina. Uttara. Then Swa. Swa is also is there. Then Antara. All this you can try. Okay. What about the Tat Shabda? Tat Shabda is interesting. That also we know. Same. Yeah. Tat Shabda. Tat Shabda will become Etasmat is. That's it. Etasmat is Ataha. Tasmat is
Tataha.
Tasmat plus Tasal. Tat Shabda. So Tad plus Tas. Tad will be what is the Sutta? Tad plus Tas. Vivakti Pratyaya Pare. Yadadinam Aha. Remember.
Yeah.
What is the number? 72102. That is Tedadi Shabda. So Tedadi Namaha, the Akara will be replaced by A. Therefore, Ta A plus A, you will have Atogune. Therefore, Ta alone will come. I'm just following all the sutras. You follow what I'm saying. Tedadi Namaha, by that, Takara will be replaced by Akara, and Atogune by that, A plus A will become A. Ta. Ta plus, you understand? Therefore, Ta. Then you'll have Tatas. Tatas plus Su. Tatas plus Su. Therefore, Tatas. Finally, you have Tataha. Tataha is equal to Tasmat. Right?
Saranga, Ta plus A is there, no? Atolopaha will be there.
Atolopaha. No.
plus
Ato gune. A plus A. Pura parayavastane. Pararupa deshaha. A plus A is not Dirgha Sandhi. A plus A is A only. Right?
yes, Ji.
This thus because of the pratyaya. So here maybe one more step. Tatas. Tatas you get, and Tatas plus Su. Tataha. Right? Okay, two more. Tyad will become Chadadina Maha. Tyataha.
Yataha.
Yad will become
Yataha.
Yataha. Try this. So Tyadadina Maha. So whichever Shabdas are there in Tyadadi, for that Adesha is Aha. You have to find out. Okay, Tyadadina Maha is there or not. Tyadadina Maha, the Saranama Shabda, you just see. If it is not there, then no Adesha. If Adesha rules are there, apply. Otherwise, no. I can give the answer, but you try this, and then we'll see. Yes. Etad will become, okay. Etad is, okay. Etad also you try. Idam already I did, I think. Etad. Etad did I do?
Etaha.
Etad I did. Okay. Not etaha. Etad is, yeah, etasmat already I did. Ataha. Okay. Etad already I did. Okay. Etad already I did. And similarly, idam also I did. So only this you try. Okay. I'll send you this file. You can go through. Any doubts? No doubts, huh?
We'll go through it, Ji.
When we try these words, we may get some doubts.
Oh,
Yes.
correct.
Please try. Let's stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnavidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. You can take this as a prelude to Tadita. Tadita, first time we are seeing, and we are going to see more. So Tadita will come. So now you know the Prakriya. It's simple. Prakriya is simple. Only you need to know the supporting sutra, Adesha Sutras, etc. So all the Tadita will be like this only. Prakriya is very simple, but there are so many pratyas. So this will be an introduction to Tadita, which we are going to see. Right? So you can take this. So all the related sutra. Here, since it is Avyayam, therefore we have the Supadata Pratipadika look, Avyatapsupaha look, all those things we require. And some Adesha sutras. That also I have given in the summary where it is located. In 7.2 section and 5.3.3 to 5.3.6. So those places only you will see the Adeshas for this Avyaya. Other places we don't see. So it's simple. Right? For other Tadita Pratyas, of course, Adeshas will be there somewhere that we have to locate and find out. For that already we know what it is. And Angakarya also possible, but here there is no Angakarya and all. Okay. So just adding and then we'll see. So this will be an introduction to Tadita. And there are many sutras here in this. We need to see. There are so many Avyayas which are derived from the Pratipadika. Let's see. Okay. Dhanyavada.
धन्यवाद शेठ जी.
Dhanyavada.
I sent a file to the WhatsApp group. You can please see and then try these shabdas.
Yes.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.